Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog video. No, let me quit. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna be rambling. Oh, I look a mess. I told y'all, anytime I look like this, I call myself Michael Myers. I'm looking like Michael Myers right now, but y'all, that's a lot I gotta say. Let me tell y'all the tea, honey. No, I don't be with that drama shit. Our room is a mess right now, like horrible. Like y'all see it, y'all, that baby bed, this mattress, girl, let me show y'all. I want to get a glitter wall, a striped wall, it's gonna be like white, gray, and a new bed set, new everything. So let me show y'all this. And let me tell y'all the reason I ain't been doing makeup, but let me show you who gonna paint my room. So if you ever want your room painted, he does travel. He lives in Indiana, so that's not that far. I ain't want to look too ratchet on camera, but yes, I look a little decent, halfway decent. Together, Briana. Okay, yeah, I got this hat from Fashion Nova. Okay, so it's him right here. Okay, see. But he's going to be doing my room, and like, look at this. Oh my god, his paint is so wild. And stripes. Let me show y'all a glitter wall. Let me show y'all the gold glitter wall. Look at this Gucci. Oh my goodness, what? So bad, so bad. Okay, I'm trying to show y'all the glitter wall. So look at this. So freaking cute. And like, can y'all see me in my room, like doing a tutorial on that glitter wall, and just know that my camera and how that background gonna react? Girl, what? I could tell story times. Like, my room hasn't been my room like in a minute, so it's been like, I don't know, y'all could tell, like if y'all go like last year, like, it hasn't been my room in a long time. So I'm like, I need something different. And then like, I could take this stuff with me. Like if I ever move, I could take this stuff with me, and then I could have him do the same thing at a new apartment or something like that. So yeah, definitely doing that. So I'm doing that in silver, and I'm gonna do a straight wall, but it's gonna be vertical. Oh girl, so cute. Alright, vlogging.
Come on, get washed.
Alright, here I come. Layla. Huh? Say hi. 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 Okay, show y'all the bed set real quick. So it was on sale, and it's so pretty. I'm only getting the dresser and the bed. It's like a 5-piece set. I want to show y'all. It's that one. It's from the Room Place, y'all. Oh my god, and I got a cold, like, what the fuck? I don't know if y'all ever heard of the Room Place, but they have furniture and stuff like that, and I'm gonna go to Value City. It's like Value City to get like that lamp that I have on my vanity. Like, it's a lot that I have to do. We going to Jamaica, and I haven't been putting out any like makeup tutorials. Y'all only see me putting out hair tutorials because those are already in my YouTube account, and they have been, stop, shut your mouth. And they have already been uploaded. They just haven't been out because I have to make my corners first before I do a tutorial tomorrow. I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to get a half up, half do. I went to go get my nails on yesterday by Tiana. They're real cute, but the only thing is I don't really like the way the stones are placed. I don't know. I just don't like the stones, how they place. And I think these are Swarovskis, but I don't like the clear ones. I like the AB ones, the ones that are like multicolor. So see y'all, as soon as I get up out of here, it's just a lot, and I'm gonna take you with me. All right, y'all. So I just got my hair washed, and I'm about to go cook me up some cream of wheat. Me and Layla. No, just for now, cause she real picky. She don't be liking a lot of stuff that I be eating. Well, she don't really like chicken nuggets like that. So yeah, I got this package from PS right here. Bitch. My face is dry because we're gonna go pick that up. Who don't like this? Who don't like this stuff? Got milk. So I'm at UPS. Well, Boost Mobile, they got a UPS clearance right here. I'm just picking up a package.
Maybe it's on if I stay on this
Some
side.
this is from MJ, like I told y'all. The whole time my hoodie was stuck in my jacket. I had to let it out, but yeah, I'm about to get my package. Alrighty. My dream car. Well, I'm gonna get that car. Y'all like this Mercedes? Go ahead, beat them drums, boy. Only in Chicago. Here. We get some White Castles. So we about to go get our hair braided. Bye. I keep looking at the screen. I always look at the screen. We about to go get our hair braided. I told y'all the style that I'm doing. I'm gonna do a point at the top, and then it's gonna be down at the bottom. I'm gonna show y'all hairstyle. I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can see it.
728 for the second.
Thanks.
And also clips to use. Here is the actual piece, and then you would insert the one into it, whichever one you want to use. So these are the different ones that it comes with. I'm gonna. Oh, it's really repetitive. You just want to wrap your hair. And if you want your curls to be tighter, then you want to take smaller sections, or vice versa, you take larger sections. And you just want to take each section and wrap it around the one and let it sit for a few seconds so that it can heat up, and then you want to go ahead and remove it. I usually hold the curls line for a second so that it can cool down, and this helps your curls last a little bit longer as well. And I'm just going to switch my edges down. I do have to have down style with a cone type of hair. So I'll put that down below if that's what we done out in the way. And it's pretty simple from here. You just want to manipulate your hair to get it exactly how you want it. I'm going to run my fingers through and break up the curls.
Hey, girl. You is. Oh my goodness.
Cause I showed baby must have.
Hey, Talia. What's the thing?
I have all the things, the new clips.
Looking like your mama.
Like,
Look, they gonna Tracy y'all. This my braider. She's like, Talia girl, cheese.
oh girl, did you see?
You're so cute. So, I came home from getting my hair braided or whatever. They're okay. It's just some braids to go underneath, so when she do the points at the top and she's gonna sew it on. So she didn't do my edges yet because I do have a tutorial that I have to do, so it's just gonna be show braided. So I'm about to go to Cali Beauty and get me this cut crease brush that Beauty by Melissa been talking about. And that package that I had got was not from MJ. It was some hair from a hair company. What do you have? Sit down. Where you going? Y'all, I don't want no more kids. I promise you that. I promise you. This is crown brush that it looks like I'm crossing my eyes every time I look down. But y'all, they had this crown brush, and I want. What are you doing? See? Stop it! Definition of bad. Y'all think before y'all have some kids, please. I'm telling you, she is busy. I have to go home because I didn't bring no diapers with me, so she got dookie on her. You can tell I'm a first time mom, like, Or this crown brush that Beauty by Melissa be using, and I can't even purchase it. Stop sticking stuff. See? Leave it alone. I'm not gonna tell you again. Don't tell me. You see her? Do y'all see that? Don't tell me no. So I tried to order this brush out, and it ain't even Okay, first I went to Cali. They didn't have it. So I tried to go online and order it, and what you say? I tried to order this brush, and as soon as I put my PayPal stuff in, and then it asked me where, like the state. It don't even say United States. It's saying Poland, Switzerland, United Kingdom, but it's saying all these other states. I mean, yeah, and it's not saying United States. Like, I need that brush. Sis, I try to be beating her creases be on point, so I need it. Like, what's going on? What's going on? I'm about to show y'all who I'm talking about. Her. Y'all see that? Cut creases on point, and she told me to brush. She real sweet, y'all. She real sweet. Macy's, and then I think she's going to MAC. I told her to give me the 248 brush. Yeah, it's just hectic. Today has been hectic. I ain't even go get my toes done. This wax, I was trying to go get my Brazilian wax, like everything. I was just trying to go get everything. Like, it's just going wrong. Like, mama doing clients. Like, then she got to do our head. Like, it's just too, and then she got to do leather head. Like, it's so much. Like, it's so much that we gotta do. Sit down. Show. You're so clingy. Girl. She like a sour patch, y'all. She is a sour patch. Like, she is so bad. She's busy. Let me not say bad. She's so busy. Busy bee. Busy bee. That's you. Oh my God, y'all. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Y'all gonna see me when I get my hair done. Yeah, I'm just staying right here for now. I'm trying to see if I can order this brush. Let me see. Let me see if I can order this. What are you doing? You get a little too close. To wax my face. So my machine's supposed to come tomorrow. My machine's supposed to come tomorrow. My pretty little miss things clothes supposed to come tomorrow. And my Morphe palettes supposed to come tomorrow. The 2 vaults, and then I'm missing one from when I went to go get it from the store. That's supposed to come. So I'm going to give a giveaway to the ones that signed up for Dash. That's what I'm gonna do. You need to come get your child.
No, come on, man. Don't put me on the camera. Let's fuck up.
He need to come get his child. I am tired as hell. He's talking about something. He's tired. I'm tired. I've been having your kid all week.
I just worked 14 hours.
So come get your child.
Hey, Lele. Hey, mommy. I'm just gonna tell your mama something.
So what you about to tell me? Stop playing with me. What size you wearing the Levi's?
Huh?
What size you wearing Levi's?
32.
Oh. Mess. I look a mess, but I came back home and I got on foundation, so yeah, my skin ain't cleared up. But I'm over here practicing, like, you know, practice makes perfect. I keep looking, stop looking up there, girl. Practice makes perfect. And okay, so my mom, when I told y'all she was in the mall, I told her to get, well, this is old, but I told her to give me a new bottle of foundation because this one is way too dark for me. I don't know what I was thinking. Let me show y'all. Yeah, focus. Okay, this foundation is way too dark. This is, let's see, NW50. I had NC50. That's what that was before I was pregnant, and that was kind of too light still. So when after I was pregnant, I got a little darker. So I chose NW50. Girl, get it right. But I had wanted a new one, and I wasn't in the store, and I didn't want to get out the car. So I just told my mama, you know, to show me it, show me the foundation. So this is NW43. This is way too light. Like, this is like, This could be my cousin color or something like that. This is NW50, but not NW50, this is NW43. I'm thinking, okay, so since it's NW50 and NW43, like this would be like a little bit lighter than what this is. So like it's not for you. Since I'm trying to treat.
All goddamn day.
Okay. Let me tell you.
No, fuck all that.
You vlogging the shrimp. Don't do me.
Right.
Girl, come on.
Is that it? Not boogie nose over there.
The chair.
I got the deal of a lifetime on Poshmark. I got these barely worn Louboutin heels, and I paid $100 for them. I would have paid over $700 for these in the store.
Yes,
We're in the middle. My hair came out cute. Cute. I'm ready for Jamaica. The only thing is about one disc curl. So this is a 28 inch. So I told them to send me a 28 inch. The only thing about this is she just curled it and the curls fell. So I'm guessing I gotta ride it. This is the look, y'all. I know it's gonna be cute with my clothes. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the morning out here. Well, almost 2 o'clock. And I shouldn't even be going to eat. But I'm about to go give me something to eat, come back, and I think I'm about to edit this vlog. Fine for now. Until I get it real curly. I be missing my sew-ins, like, no. But until then, I hope that y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all on the next one.